I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal. I have a dream
It's the 21st century, what's up with your mind? Only 50 years of being black was a crime. So while you're backtracking now, stop making excuses. Don't give a damn about economy. Money is useless, your rights are more important than the statement from the bank. Human rights is spiraling right off the tracks. What was the heart of love we had a decade ago? Oh, it's better than his time, but the fat's not over, no. I know homies from afar and they are so nice. Like Yass's from Jamaica and his bars are ice 2017s and they're live and heaven. I wanna help this planet become a lucky seven. Take a gamble and a risk, it's why it exists, it's why it's good said. We must resist the pressures and pain that's driving us insane. But we must stand up for this and for our name, yeah.
I have a dream.
Walking on the corridor, I see a young girl crying. I asked them how they are, and she says she felt like dying. I listened to her story, and I felt torment. They say you bring values, but can't they repent? Stand at the devil label and help to write songs. Fight with it and protest all day long. Or don't you see me as nothing, cause you would be so wrong. All the power of the public will end the fascist song. Why do you see us as the anti-authoritarian? Cause if me in the squad, it'd be great. Cause security is important, but the family is first. Black, white, rich, poor, straight, gay, just converse. Shut your mouth with your racist politics. We tried it and we failed it before the 60s. Everybody's here and the world is one. Stand out of the crowd and they'll fall, yeah.
I have a dream.